In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off work anniversary on LinkedIn. If you'd rather keep your work anniversary from being automatically shared with your network, LinkedIn gives you a simple way to manage that setting. This can be useful if you prefer a little more privacy or if you just don't want those updates appearing for your connections. The good news is that it only takes a moment to change. To get started, open LinkedIn and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main LinkedIn page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This is where LinkedIn places your personal account options and profile-related settings. When the menu opens, click on Settings and Privacy. After that, you'll be taken to the Settings area, where LinkedIn groups different account controls into sections. On the left-hand side, find and click on Visibility. This section is where you can control what other people see about your activity and profile changes, so it's the right place to go when you want to limit automatic announcements. Once you're inside the Visibility section, look for the option labeled Share Profile Updates. Click on that setting to open it. This controls whether LinkedIn notifies your network about certain profile-related changes and milestones, including things like work anniversaries. Now all you need to do is find the switch for that setting and toggle it off. When the switch is turned off, LinkedIn will stop sharing those profile updates automatically. That means your work anniversary won't be broadcast to your connections through that feature anymore. And that's it. The change should take effect right away, so there's nothing else you need to save or confirm in most cases. If you ever want to turn those updates back on in the future, you can simply return to the same setting and switch it back on. A quick tip before you go. LinkedIn updates its layout from time to time, so if the wording or placement looks slightly different on your screen, the setting is usually still found under Settings and Privacy and then Visibility. Just look for the option related to profile updates or sharing changes with your network. That's all it takes to turn off work anniversary sharing on LinkedIn.